In this video, we are going to learn how to make beautiful slide in PowerPoint like this. So let's start the video. Click on right button, go to Format Background and select background color. Go to Insert, click on text box, change color, right span here, select and center your content. Change the font and increase font size. After that, go to Format, go to Text Effect, select Triangle Up from Transform. Then align middle and align center. Go to Insert, click on Picture, select and insert it. Click the right button and send to back. Select both. Go to Format, select Intersect from Merge Shape. Go to Format, go to Picture Effect, select this from Presets, select this Convex from Bevel and now click on Slideshow. So see friends, our slide looks very beautiful. If you like this video, like it and subscribe the channel and don't forget to watch other videos also. Thanks for watching the video.